Contractors are in high demand. People have been getting home projects done during the pandemic, but you have to be careful. Fox 2's Vic Faust talks with Brown Crouppen attorney Andrea McNairy about what to do if you feel cheated by a contractor.
What if somebody comes in to a problem, so to speak, with a contractor?
Assuming you've done all of your work as far as vetting a contractor in terms of license status, bonding, insurance, or experience, there can still be things that go wrong, meaning they don't finish the work is shoddy, or the contractor steals money from you. If one of those things happens, you have some options. First, obviously, you want to have a conversation with the contractor and be very upfront about the problems. There are times, though, that conversation is not going to result in any type of remedial action. So in that situation, if you can't fix it with the contractor, you have some options. The first option is you can go to small claims court. In Missouri, you can only do small claims for money damages up to $5,000. You can hire an attorney. If it's over $5,000, obviously that will cost some money and you'll spend some time doing that. You can file a complaint with the state and the Better Business Bureau. You can pursue a bond claim. So for some contractors, they get a surety bond, and you can work with surety agencies to resolve any claim with them. And then finally, and probably the one that is the most popular now, is to post a review on social media, warning about contractors, or on Twitter or Facebook or Instagram. My warning to viewers would be, if you're going to do that, it's important that the review is truthful, and if possible, you have evidence of any of the problems, because a contractor does have the ability to sue you for false statements or sue you for libel if you post a review that isn't honest.
Is this something you're getting calls on at all right now?
We're getting lots of calls about the usual problems we've already discussed with contractors, but we're also getting a lot of calls about change orders for work that is being done or is partially done. And what a change order is where they come back and they say they had to order additional materials, or those materials costed more than they originally thought. So things you really have to be careful about, and you want to read the fine print.
For the Brown Crouppen Legal Lens, I'm Vic Faust.
And you can catch the Legal Lens every Wednesday right here on Fox 2.